Let's find out if a Balm foundation is right for you after 50. I know there's a lot of talk about balms being perfect for mature skin, so let's find out if it's really perfect for your mature skin. A sheer balm formula is designed to give light coverage with a little added softness. It's not meant to fully cover discoloration. It's meant to even out the tone and let your skin still look like skin. This type of formula is usually best for dry or dull skin. If your foundation has been looking flat, tight, or heavy, a balm texture can restore some movement and softness. They're also great for no makeup days, when you just want your skin to look a little bit more even without looking like you're wearing foundation. But let's talk about who they're not for. If your skin is actively peeling, even a tiny amount, a balm is actually going to highlight that. If you have oily skin, there's a high concentration of hydrating ingredients in the balmy texture, so it's going to feel greasy and tacky on oily skin. And for those who desire a lot of coverage or even medium coverage, this is definitely not for you because it's just too light. Now that half of my face is done, it's easy to see exactly how much coverage I got out of this. It definitely helped even out the skin tone on the one side of my face, but it's not dramatic coverage. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this other side, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in natural light. Here's that natural light. If you're planning on trying a balm, just remember skin prep is still important. And just because it's a balm doesn't mean over apply, because it can still sit in your fine lines and wrinkles. Check out the description for the products that I used, and thank you for watching.